What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be not grocery store manager, bakery manager, ice cream. Look, might be ice cream, hot dog, taco. There's also chocolate, Reese's and donuts. Reese's don't. This is donuts, cookie, Reese's, Hershey's and Reese's. Yeah, can open there. See, yeah. And then I'm also gonna no, not that. So we're gonna be done. Then when you come to my shop, and yeah, my shop is opening right now. So how do I do this again? It's just gonna be open and it's never gonna close until late. Like when they leave the door open, like people are gonna enter, and then wait, turn on this light. Damn. When they come inside here, gonna be bacon, gonna be muffins, cookie, bread, pretzels, cake. Yeah, and then when you come here, the freezer. Make sure to not get stuck in here. See, back here, can choose this ice cream shop, uh, a pizzeria. No, I'm gonna be an ice cream shop. I'm an ice cream shop. I ice cream, but the house is gonna be ready. Okay, so you can see the what flavors on the truck. They can't see the flavors. So it says closed, open, and then yeah, we're gonna wait. And then outside it's cold, so we're gonna say wait. I can rotate it like this. What? Can I see? Can I see? What in this freezer? But that's not
Sunday, are you wearing the same clothes that you've been wearing for 3 days straight? You wore them day before yesterday. You wore them yesterday. You wore them. When did we go to Tembis? We went day before yesterday. You were wearing them when we went to Tembis. Yesterday you didn't bath. Did you bath? You didn't bath. You were wearing them. Now you had a bath and you're wearing the same clothes. 3 days. You're wearing the same clothes. You must wear pajamas. There's wear. But I've been wearing these days clothes for 3 days. You must change. Finally, I'm fine.
guys, I'm back to do something. I'm sorry you had all of that. Yeah, I'm gonna say looking for hired hiring. No, I'm saying hiring now. Hiring now. Exclamation! Exclamation! When people gonna come down, I'm like Monday to Friday, 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then I'm like, what's behind here? Opens Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Then I'm like, it's Monday. I come on the first day. First day. Oh, hey. So POV, you can see the sign. Dun, dun, dun. POV, you can see the sign. You're sitting with your boyfriend, like, how long now? I'm like, I need a job. Can you hire me? Candy and chicks. So that means I do cake, ice cream, and chicks. Then when it comes down here, it's supposed to be a delivery truck. You're not supposed to be this side. You're gonna be that side, then I'm gonna spawn a delivery truck. Wait, just put you there for now. Then I'm gonna spawn another one of these. But this is gonna be a delivery truck. Yeah. So this delivery truck is gonna stay. How can I hide this delivery truck? Someone deleted this thing. Who works there now? Nobody. I used to work there. I'm gonna leave it here. Tutaka. Hey, oh no. It's closed. Me, I'm going to go as my pogo stick and I'm going. I could have just went to the side, but I threw the whole other way. No, no one has to know my name. We just know my name as manager. Who just know my name as the manager. When I hire people, then the people are gonna like, can I have your manager plus? They're gonna be like, they're a manager, and they're gonna be like, yes, maybe. I think you want to sponsor ice cream. Dylan ice cream. Let's just saying ice cream. What? Dylan ice cream. Yeah, it works now. I literally did it. Ooh, waiting for people to come. And this. You will stay here because bro, we're gonna wait a long. We're gonna have to wait 4 days until we can use you. Even when I need something, I just come. I'm gonna be like, you got chocolate, we got vanilla, you got bamboo, bing. So I have to slide. Bam. But I wonder, like, when am I ever gonna use this bad boy? Where is my baddie boy? I'm just checking. I deleted him to get the delivery truck. We out of ice cream. I need the delivery truck. I'm stuck. Go fast, go fast, go fast. It's on. Close immediately. Hey, it's supposed to close immediately. Okay. Need the delivery truck because it's my first day. Bro, it says 99 people are 99 people are key. Just texting, bro. It's too many texts, bro. Too many, bro. Slash clear. Wait, just come to the top. And finally better, bro. Once you open the Jesse, nothing. 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 I'm gonna be like, Dylan's eye. Why does it say Dylan's eyes from there? Wait, what if I say does it say it up there? No. Hiring now. Upstairs is mandatory for only Dylan. I don't know what I just said. I just said mandatory. I don't even know. But I need the delivery truck. Delivery truck. Delivery truck. I bet it's just outside. You're just waiting for me to just use it. A delivery truck. Someone needs you. Delivery truck. No. Wait, I'm sure it can't fit. It can't fit. Oh no. It can't fit, bro. It's literally it's the top right here. Cause look. Look at it, just look at the wheels just moving, bro. Can't even in there. Look, it's just like a little slightly bigger than it, bro. Slightly big, bro. Slightly big, though. Okay. So grab box. So this is supposed to be full of ice cream cones. So go and go and go and go and go. Supposed to be ice cream cones closed. We're closed. We're closed. Lock. Okay, we're gonna put this down. Not there. You see these waffle cones, sugar cones, but they're empty. So put that right. Put it inside there. Yes. Okay, we're just gonna go here. Right here. Enter. Then in there is gonna be vanilla. People like chocolate, but they cake and vanilla. So I'm gonna pick this and then I'm gonna leave that there because it has a lot of stuff. So here are the flavors. Right inside there. Okay. I'm gonna get birthday cake. cake, birthday cake. Birthday cake, put it in that one there, the back, right there at the back, and yeah, I'm done. And then we're gonna get chocolate. Chocolate. Ugh, chocolate. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Put that right there. And there's one more box, so I will perhaps put. Wait, let me go check the flavors. What else is there again? Wait, there is. And then there's bubblegum and mint. Now, people don't like mint. Ah, I can go. I want him dead. Come here. Get bubblegum. So I'm gonna get bubblegum. Got bubblegum. Let's go back. Put it that one right there. Perhaps I'm gonna say mint is there's no mint. So I have the prompts. So I literally have the prompts. Take the prompts. Okay, so I'll just take a box and put it there. Yes. So that's finished. Mint is done. Is done. Wait, I have a smart idea. I didn't come up here to meet with yours. I came up here to kill you. Who's doing that? Now who doing that? Doing that. Ice cream and cakes. Ice cream, cakes, and cakes. Not you, dummy. Ice cream, cakes, and cakes. Ice cream, cakes, and cakes. Do ice cream, cakes, and shakes is about to go down. We're closed. We're about to open. We're about to open. Open at 6 now. At least now my single. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I know I haven't got some customers on this part. I'll make a second part. And today I've learned how to do thumbnails, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Kadoosh.